Hey guys, it's Ashley in Ash's playground. Well, that's what I called it. Cause yeah. So anyway, let's just get on to the video. Oh, and it's a tornado video. So warning, warning, little kids watching, do not watch this video. 3 or under. Thank you. Tornado warning tonight. Creepy. I'm just gonna go to sleep. Later that night. Oh my gosh! I need to go tornado watching. Where is it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm scared. I'm scared. Huh? No! No! Mommy!
Call from 156-126.
Tornado alarm still going on. When is it gonna stop? I wish my mom was here. Oh, that's sweetie! Mom! Mom is scared! No! No! Sweetie! No! Sweetie, are you okay? Oh my gosh, she passed out. Is it gonna stop? Oh no! Oh. She just passed out, but I'm scared. No, please, no, no, no. My daughter. I hope she's still alive. Yeah, her heart's still beating, but sorry, not bleeding. Oh no. She has a brain bleed. That's not good. That's not good. It's not good. Wait, it's going away. Yes. Huh? That sounds like my youngest daughter. It's not going away. Mommy! Oh my gosh. Guys, this is so creepy. I don't want to do this no more. I don't want to be in a tornado eruption. Please. But I'm not going to swallow, okay? Okay. Okay guys, don't watch if you're under 3 years old because it is a creepy film. But no judge, I am going to be a little creepy with that. I know it was scary, but the reason why I didn't do it on LPS Ashley is because the person who walked by wasn't LPS Ash. So yeah. Bye.